करते हैं पहला सेक्शन, पहला क्वेश्चन। और हाँ, इस वीडियो में सिर्फ क्वेश्चन और आंसर बताए जाएंगे। एक्सप्लेनेशन के लिए कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखो, मैं वहां आपको डिटेल में समझाऊंगा। तो बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए चलो शुरू करते हैं। हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द नर्स इज केयरिंग फॉर अ क्लाइंट विद टर्मिनल कैंसर, विच फैक्टर शुड द नर्स कंसिडर व्हेन प्लानिंग पेन रिलीफ? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, नॉट ऑल पेन इज रियल। सेकंड ऑप्शन, ओपिएड एनाल्जेसिक्स आर हाईली एडिक्टिव। थर्ड ऑप्शन, ओपिएड एनाल्जेसिक कैन कोज टैकीकार्डिया। फोर्थ ऑप्शन, अराउंड द क्लॉक डोजिंग गिव्स बेटर पेन रिलीफ देन इज नीडेड। हमारा यहाँ आंसर है डी। Second question है, client is receiving digoxin, ask about its adverse effect. Which statement indicates correct understanding? First option, I should report blurred vision or halos. Second option, constipation is expected. Third option, I should take it with antacid. Fourth option, rapid weight gain is normal. यहाँ आंसर है A. Third question है, the nurse is reinforcing teaching about standard precaution. Which statement by the client indicate a need for further teaching? First option, I should wash my hands before and after touching a client. Second option, I can recap a used needle carefully. Third option, gloves are worn when touching body fluids. Fourth option, the gown is used if clothing may be contaminated. क्लाइंट ने यहाँ पे ये स्टेटमेंट गलत दिया है, यहाँ आंसर होगा भी, बाकी तीनों स्टेटमेंट सही है। Which nursing action best prevents ventilator associated pneumonia? First option, suctioning every 2 hours, elevating the head of the bed 30 to 45 degree, routine changing of ventilator tubing, providing an extra IV fluid. यहाँ आंसर है बी। पेन कॉलर पोजिशन एस्पिरेशन रिस्क को कम करती है और वेंटिलेटर एसोसिएटेड निमोनिया को भी ये प्रिवेंट करती है। A nurse prepares to insert an indwelling catheter, which action maintains surgical asepsis? First option, place sterile gloves on a clean bedside table. Second option, use sterile gloves and maintain sterile fluid. Third option, wear clean gloves for insertion. Fourth option, use the same gloves for cleansing and insertion. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है बी, स्टाइल फील्ड मेंटेन करनी है, स्टाइल ग्लव्स पहनने हैं। Sixth question, a nurse is assessing an IV site and notes swelling, pallor and coolness. What is the first action? Option है, slow the IV rate, apply a warm compress, remove the IV catheter, elevate the extremity. यहाँ आंसर होगा, सबको पता है, सी। इजी क्वेश्चन है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द नर्स चेक्स अ क्लाइंट्स रेडियल पल्स एंड फाइंड्स इट इरेगुलर. व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? जब भी हमें रेडियल पल्स इरेगुलर मिलेगी तो हम क्या करेंगे? एपिकल पल्स देखेंगे। ऑप्शन देखते हैं, डॉक्यूमेंट फाइंडिंग इमीडिएटली, रीचेक विद डॉपलर, असेस द एपिकल पल्स फॉर 1 full minute, कॉल द हेल्थ केयर प्रोवाइडर। यहाँ आंसर है सी। विच मेजर बेस्ट प्रिवेंट्स प्रेशर इंजरी इन अ बेड माउंट क्लाइंट? बेड सर प्रिवेंट करने के लिए कौन सा मेजर इंपॉर्टेंट है? कीप द हेड ऑफ द बेड एलिवेटेड ऑल टाइम्स, reposition the client every 2 hours, massage reddened skin area, limit fluid intake. आंसर है reposition the client every 2 hours. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, which lab result would the nurse report immediately? सोडियम 139 नॉर्मल रेंज में है, पोटेशियम 6.2 ये एबनॉर्मल रेंज में है, हीमोग्लोबिन नॉर्मल रेंज में है, कैल्शियम नॉर्मल रेंज में है। यहाँ हमारा आंसर हुआ पोटेशियम 6.2। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द नर्स इज प्रिपेयरिंग टू एडमिनिस्टर मेडिकेशन वाया एनजी ट्यूब. विच एक्शन इज करेक्ट? Press all meds together and give at once. Verify tube placement before administration. Mix meds with the tube filling formula. Give meds with cold water. तो यहाँ हमारा आंसर हुआ बी, वेरीफाई ट्यूब प्लेसमेंट बिफोर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन। 11th क्वेश्चन है, द नर्स टीचेज अ क्लाइंट अबाउट हैंड हाइजीन. विच स्टेटमेंट इंडिकेट्स प्रॉपर टेक्निक? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, आई शुड रब माई हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर 5 seconds. Second option, soap and water should be used if my hands are visibly soiled. Third option, alcohol-based sanitizer is always better than soap. Last option, I don't need to dry my hands after washing. हमारा आंसर है soap and water should be used if my hands are visibly soiled. ठीक है। 12th क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, the nurse notes a client's oxygen saturation at 85%. The priority action is to notify the physician, apply supplemental oxygen, document the finding, recheck in 15 minutes. यहाँ आंसर होगा B. 13th क्वेश्चन है, nurse prepare to dispose of contaminated linens. What is the correct method? First option, check the linens before bagging. Second option, place linen in moisture resistant bag. Third option, place linen on the floor until housekeeping arrives. Fourth option, carry linen away from the body. यहाँ हमारा आंसर होगा place linen in a moisture resistant bag. 14th question, the nurse is calculating intake output, which should be included as intake. First option, IV fluid. Second option, blood transfusion. Third option, oral fluid. Last option, all of the above. यहाँ पे सभी चीज़ों का इंटेक हो रहा है बॉडी के अंदर, तो यहाँ पे सभी चीज़ें इंटेक में आएंगी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, विच इज द मोस्ट एक्यूरेट मेथड ऑफ कंफर्मिंग एनजी ट्यूब प्लेसमेंट बिफोर फीडिंग? ऑप्शन ए, एस्पायरेटिंग गैस्ट्रिक कंटेंट एंड चेकिंग पीएच. ऑप्शन बी, इंजेक्टिंग एयर एंड अस्कल्टेटिंग स्टमक. ऑप्शन सी, आस्किंग द क्लाइंट टू स्पीक. ऑप्शन डी, चेकिंग रेजिडुअल वॉल्यूम. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है ए, पीएच चेक करनी है, गैस्ट्रिक कंटेंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, Client with fluid volume deficit is receiving IV therapy. Which finding shows effective treatment? Option A, decreased urine output. Option B, decreased blood pressure. Option C, moist mucous membrane. Option D, increased heart rate. यहाँ आंसर है C, moist mucous membrane. Question number 17. When assessing pain in an older adult, the nurse should: Option A, assume pain is less due to aging, rely only on physiological signs, use a standard pain scale and ask the client, ask family to rate the pain. यहाँ आंसर है use a standard pain scale and ask the client. Question number 18. A client on contact precaution asks, why must visitor wear gown and gloves? Option A, to protect only the client from infection. Option B, to prevent spread of organism to others. Option C, because hospital rules requires it. Option D, to make staff more cautious. यहाँ आंसर है to prevent spread of organism to others. Question number 19. The nurse is to administer ear drops to an adult client. Which technique is correct? A, pull pinna down and back. B, pull pinna up and back. C, insert cotton deep into ear canal. D, hold dropper 2 inch above ear. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है B, pull pinna up and back. Question number 20. Which client should the nurse assess first? Client with temperature of 100.4 degree Fahrenheit, a client with blood glucose level of 250, a client with oxygen saturation of 82%, a client with blood pressure of 150 by 90 mmHg. यहाँ हमारा आंसर होगा C. A nurse is caring for a client with restraint should: Option A, tie restraint to the side rail, remove restraint every 2 hours for assessment, keep the client restraints continuously, use restraint as first line intervention. यहाँ आंसर है B. Question number 22. The nurse prepared to check for orthostatic hypotension. Which sequence is correct? Measure BP lying, then standing. Measure BP sitting, then lying. Measure BP lying, sitting, and then standing. Measure BP standing only. Answer is C. Measure BP lying, sitting, and then standing. 23. The nurse find a fire in the client's room. What is the first action? RACE इसका एक्रोनिम है. First action होगा rescue. Answer D. Question 22. Which statement about informed consent is correct? Option A, the nurse explain a risk and benefit of surgery. Consent can be obtained after pre-medication. The physician is responsible for explaining the procedure. A signed consent is unnecessary in emergencies. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है A. Question number 25. A client receiving blood transfusion develops chills, fever and flank pain. What is the nurse first action? Hemolytic reaction हो रही है. हमारा यहाँ आंसर हो गया stop the transfusion immediately. Question 26. The nurse is caring for a client in droplet precaution. Which PPE is essential? Gloves only, gloves and gown, surgical mask and 95. यहाँ आंसर है C, surgical mask. Question number 27. The nurse is reinforcing teaching about nutrition. Which food is a complete protein? Option A, rice, corn, egg, peanut butter. Answer is C. Easy. बहुत easy question है. Question number 28. When administering medication through an external feeding tube, the nurse should: mix meds with feeding formula, flush tube with water before and after each med. Option C, administer meds undiluted. Option D, give all meds at once. यहाँ आंसर है option B. Question 29. The nurse checks a client's temperature rectally. Which action is correct? Insert thermometer 1 cm, place client in left lateral position, use a glass thermometer for accuracy, insert the thermometer without lubrication. Answer is B. Question number 30. The nurse is teaching about oxygen safety at home. Which statement by the client shows understanding? Option A, I can smoke if I stay away from oxygen tank. Option B, I will keep oxygen away from open flames. Option C, I should use petroleum jelly for dry lips. Option D, I can store oxygen near the stove. Answer है B. Question number 31. A client with COPD is receiving oxygen at 4 liters per minute via nasal canal. The nurse should monitor for which complication? Option A, respiratory alkalosis. Option B, oxygen toxicity. Option C, hypoventilation. Option D, hyperventilation. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है C. Question number 30. The nurse is teaching a client with hypertension about lifestyle modification. Which statement indicates correct understanding? First option, I will avoid adding salt to foods. Second option, I can stop taking medication once BP is normal. Third option, I should increase alcohol intake to relax. Fourth option, I don't need exercise because of my age. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है A. Question number 33. Which ECG changes most characteristics of hypokalemia? First option, tall peak T wave. Second option, flat T wave and U wave. Third option, long PR interval. Fourth option, widened QRS. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है B. Question number 34. A client with cirrhosis has ascites. विच नर्सिंग इंटरवेंशन इज प्रायोरिटी? ऑप्शन ए डेली वेट, ऑप्शन बी एनकरेज फ्लूड, ऑप्शन सी लो कैलोरी डाइट, ऑप्शन डी एनकरेज सुपाइन पोजिशन। यहाँ आंसर है ऑप्शन ए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 35, विच फाइंडिंग इन ए क्लाइंट विद चेस्ट पेन सजेस्ट मायोकार्डियल इंफार्क्शन रेदर देन एंजाइना? ऑप्शन ए पेन रिलीव बाय रेस्ट, ये नहीं है। ऑप्शन बी पेन लास्टिंग मोर देन 30 मिनट्स, ऑप्शन सी पेन ओनली आफ्टर एग्जॉशन, ऑप्शन डी पेन रिलीव बाय नाइट्रोग्लिसरीन। यहाँ आंसर है बी, बाकी सब एंजाइना को इंडिकेट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 36, a client with diabetes is diaphoretic, shaky and has a blood glucose level of 52. The nurse should first give half cup fruit juice, administer insulin, ये नहीं होगा, notify physician, ये बाद में करेंगे, check glucose in 30 minutes, ये बाद में करेंगे, पहले हम उसको हाफ कप फ्रूट जूस देंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 37, the nurse is caring for a client with a chest tube connected to water seal drainage, which finding require immediate action? Option A gentle bubbling in suction chamber, option B intermittent bubbling in water seal chamber, option C drainage of 50 ml in 1 hour, option D continuous bubbling in water seal chamber। यहाँ हमारा आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, continuous bubbling in water seal chamber। क्वेश्चन नंबर 38, the nurse is teaching a client about GERD, which statement indicates understanding? ऑप्शन ए I should eat a large meal before bedtime, बिल्कुल नहीं। आई शुड अवॉइड कॉफी इन चॉकलेट, हाँ बिल्कुल ऐसा करना है। आई शुड लाई डाउन आफ्टर ईटिंग, बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं करना है। आई शुड ड्रिंक अल्कोहल टू एड डाइजेशन, ये भी आंसर नहीं होगा, तो हमारा आंसर है बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 39, a client with renal failure has serum potassium of 6.5 milliequivalent per liter. Which medication may be ordered to reduce potassium quickly? ऑप्शन ए furosemide, ये नहीं बिल्कुल। ऑप्शन बी सोडियम पॉलीस्टाइन सल्फोनेट, ऑप्शन सी रेगुलर इंसुलिन विद ग्लूकोज, ऑप्शन डी कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट। यहाँ हमारा आंसर होगा सी, रेगुलर इंसुलिन विद ग्लूकोज इमीडिएटली पोटेशियम कम करने के लिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 40, अ क्लाइंट विद निमोनिया इज रिसीविंग एंटीबायोटिक्स, विच असेसमेंट इंडिकेट इफेक्टिवनेस ऑफ थेरेपी? ऑप्शन ए WBC काउंट 15,000 per mm3, ऑप्शन बी SpO2 95% ऑन रूम एयर, ऑप्शन सी परसिस्टेंट फीवर, ऑप्शन डी इंक्रीज प्रूवेलेंट स्पुटम। आंसर हमारा यहाँ होगा बी, बाकी तीनों ऑप्शन इन्फेक्शन को इंडिकेट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 41, द नर्स इज असेसिंग ए क्लाइंट विद हार्ट फेलियर, which finding require immediate intervention? 2 plus pitting edema in ankles, option B weight gain of 1 kg, option C crackles at lung bases, option D pink throaty sputum। हमारा यहाँ आंसर होगा pink throaty sputum, ऑप्शन डी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 42, which diet is appropriate for a client with chronic kidney disease? ठीक है, ऑप्शन ए हाई प्रोटीन लो कैलोरी डाइट, ऑप्शन बी लो सोडियम लो पोटेशियम, ऑप्शन सी हाई पोटेशियम हाई फॉस्फोरस, ऑप्शन डी हाई सोडियम हाई कैल्शियम। यहाँ हमारा आंसर है लो सोडियम लो पोटेशियम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 43, अ क्लाइंट विद एडिसन्स डिजीज इज एडमिटेड विद सीवियर हाइपोटेंशन, द नर्स सस्पेक्ट विच कॉम्प्लिकेशन? ऑप्शन ए थायराइड स्टोम, ऑप्शन बी एड्रिनल क्राइसिस, ऑप्शन सी हाइपोग्लाइसेमिक शॉक, ऑप्शन डी SIADH। हमारा यहाँ आंसर है बी, एड्रिनल क्राइसिस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 44, द नर्स assess a client with thyroidectomy, which finding is priority? ऑप्शन ए hoarseness, ऑप्शन बी डिफिकल्टी इन स्वेलिंग, ऑप्शन सी टिंगलिंग अराउंड माउथ एंड फिंगर्स, ऑप्शन डी सोर थ्रोट। यहाँ आंसर है सी, टिंगलिंग अराउंड माउथ एंड फिंगर्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 45, विच इंटरवेंशन हेल्प्स प्रिवेंट deep vein thrombosis in a post op client? ऑप्शन ए इंक्रीज अर्ली एम्बुलेशन, ऑप्शन बी एलिवेट लेग्स अबाउट हेड, ऑप्शन सी रिस्ट्रिक्ट फ्लूइड, ऑप्शन डी अवॉइड कंप्रेशन स्टॉकिंग। यहाँ हमारा आंसर होगा ए, एनकरेज अर्ली एम्बुलेशन। Question number 46, a client is on warfarin therapy, which lab value is most important? ऑप्शन ए प्लेटलेट काउंट, ऑप्शन बी INR, ऑप्शन सी APTT, ऑप्शन डी हीमोग्लोबिन। यहाँ हमारा आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 47, a client with cirrhosis is at risk for hepatic encephalopathy, which diet should be avoided? ऑप्शन ए हाई प्रोटीन, ऑप्शन बी हाई कार्बोहाइड्रेट, ऑप्शन सी लो सोडियम, ऑप्शन डी हाई कैलोरी। यहाँ हमारा आंसर होगा ए, हाई प्रोटीन डाइट। Question number 48, the nurse is caring for a client with peptic ulcer disease, which medication reduces acid secretion? ऑप्शन ए सुक्रालपेट, ऑप्शन बी ओमेप्राजोल, ऑप्शन सी एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, ऑप्शन डी मिजोप्रोस्टोल। यहाँ हमारा आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी ओमेप्राजोल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 49, a client with a stroke has dysphagia, which nursing action is safest? ऑप्शन ए offer thin liquids, ऑप्शन बी place fluid on affected side, ऑप्शन सी sit client upright during feeding, ऑप्शन डी encourage rapid eating। यहाँ हमारा आंसर होगा सी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 50, a client is receiving IV furosemide, which lab value should be monitored closely? ऑप्शन ए कैल्शियम, ऑप्शन बी पोटेशियम, सोडियम, मैग्नीशियम। यहाँ हमारा आंसर होगा पोटेशियम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 51, द नर्स इज केयरिंग फॉर ए क्लाइंट विद पेरिटोनाइटिस, दिस फाइंडिंग इज प्रायोरिटी? ऑप्शन ए एब्डोमिनल डिस्टेंशन, ऑप्शन बी रिजिड बोर्ड लाइक एब्डोमेन, ऑप्शन सी एनोरेक्सिया, ऑप्शन डी लो ग्रेड फीवर। यहाँ हमारा आंसर होगा बी, बिकॉज ये पेरिटोनाइटिस को इंडिकेट करता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 52, विच मेडिकेशन इज मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट फॉर एक्यूट एंजाइना? यहाँ आंसर है सीधा सीधा NTG, नाइट्रोग्लिसरीन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 53, a client with COPD is at risk for respiratory acidosis, which ABG results confirm this? COPD के अंदर हम लो pH और हाई PCO2 कंडीशन देखते हैं। लो pH कहाँ है? 7.48, 7.30, 7.50, 7.35। लो pH 7.30 है और हाई PCO2 ये सब 55 है। तो यहाँ हमारा आंसर हो गया बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 54, विच नर्सिंग एक्शन प्रिवेंट कॉम्प्लिकेशन इन ए क्लाइंट विथ प्लास्टर कास्ट? ऑप्शन ए, कवर विथ ब्लैंकेट until dry, use fingertips to handle wet cast, C, elevate the casted limb, place casted extremity in dependent position। यहाँ आंसर है सी। Question number 55, a client with heart failure is receiving morphine sulfate for the nurse would plan to employ which priority action? Option A, monitor stool for constipation. Option B, encourage fluid in. Option C, encourage the client to cough and deep breathe. Option D, monitor unit output। यहाँ हमारा आंसर होगा encourage the client to cough and deep breathe। Question 56, a client with Parkinson's disease developed akinesia while ambulating. Which suggestion by the nurse is most appropriate to alleviate this problem? Option A, wheelchair to move around. B, consciously think about walking over imaginary lines on the floor. C, keep the feet close together and use a walker. Option D, stand erect and use a cane। यहाँ हमारा आंसर होगा C, keep the feet close together and use a walker। Question number 57, the nurse is caring for a client with the chest tube for a pleural effusion. Which finding indicate the client is responding positively to treatment? Option A, continuous bubbling in the water seal chamber. Option B, decrease in amount of drainage over successive effusions. Option C, absence of fluctuation in water seal chamber. Option D, sudden cessation of drainage। यहाँ हमारा आंसर होगा B। Question 58, a client with diabetes has polyuria, polydipsia and polyphagia. Which lab results support these symptoms? Very simple answer, B, blood glucose level 280। Question 59, the nurse is caring for a client with tracheostomy. Which action is essential? Option A, change the ties daily without assistance. Option B, keep a spare tracheostomy tube at bedside. Option C, suction every 15 minutes routinely. Option D, inflate cuff continuously। यहाँ हमारा आंसर होगा B, keep a spare tracheostomy tube at bedside। Question number 60, which finding in a client with a new diagnosis of type 2 diabetes mellitus is essential to follow up on, indicating a potential complication? Blood pressure trending from 130/70 mmHg to 120/70 mmHg. Option B, serum potassium level trending downward from 3.6 to 2.8. Oral temperature remaining constant at 36.2, urine output of 40 ml per hour in 24 hours। यहाँ हमारा आंसर होगा बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 61, a client develops shortness of breath and chest pain after central line placement. Which complication should the nurse suspect? Option A, pneumothorax. Option B, pulmonary embolism. Option C, myocardial infarction. Option D, stroke। यहाँ हमारा आंसर होगा A, pneumothorax। क्वेश्चन नंबर 62, which client is at great risk for hypernatremia? Option A, client receiving excessive IV saline. Option B, client with congestive heart failure on diuretics. Option C, client with SIADH. Option D, client with adrenal insufficiency। यहाँ हमारा आंसर होगा A। क्वेश्चन नंबर 63, a client with DK is being treated. Which finding shows improvement? Option A, Kussmaul respiration, serum glucose level 180, fruity breath odor. Option D, pH। यहाँ हमारा आंसर होगा B। क्वेश्चन नंबर 64, which position is best for a client after a liver biopsy? Option A, left lateral. Option B, right side lying. Option C, supine with head elevated. Option D, prone। यहाँ हमारा आंसर होगा B। Question number 65, a client with multiple sclerosis reports muscle spasm. Which medication is commonly prescribed? Option A, baclofen. Option B, prednisone. Option C, phenytoin. Option D, aspirin। यहाँ हमारा आंसर होगा A, baclofen। Question number 66, which sign indicate fluid overload in a client receiving IV fluid? Option A, dry mucous membrane. Option B, crackles in lungs. Option C, hypertension. Option D, increased urine output। यहाँ आंसर होगा crackles in lungs। Question 67, the nurse is caring for a client with Parkinson's disease. Which intervention is most helpful? Option A, provide a low protein diet. Option B, encourage large muscle exercise. Option C, teach client to rock back and forth to initiate movement. Option D, restrict fluids। यहाँ आंसर होगा C। Question number 68, a client with a gastric ulcer suddenly develops rigid abdomen and severe pain. Peritonitis को शो कर रहा है। What should the nurse do first? एडमिनिस्टर एंटासिड बिल्कुल भी नहीं। इंसर्ट नेजोगेस्ट्रिक ट्यूब बिल्कुल भी नहीं। नोटिफाई द फिजिशियन इमीडिएटली यस। एनकरेज ओरल फ्लूइड्स बिल्कुल भी नहीं। यहाँ आंसर होगा सी। 69, द नर्स इज मॉनिटरिंग अ क्लाइंट विद SIADH. व्हिच लैब फाइंडिंग इज एक्सपेक्टेड? सोडियम 120, पोटेशियम 6.0, कैल्शियम 11, सोडियम 145। यहाँ आंसर होगा सोडियम 120। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which assessment finding indicate left-sided heart failure? Option A, jugular vein distension. Option B, dependent edema. Option C, crackles in lungs. Option D, hepatomegaly। यहाँ आंसर होगा crackles in lungs। बाकी ऑप्शंस राइट साइड हार्ट फेलियर को इंडिकेट करता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 71, which intervention is appropriate for a client with neutropenia? ऑप्शन ए encourage fresh fruit and vegetable. ऑप्शन बी avoid crowd and sick contacts. ऑप्शन सी change dressing once daily only. ऑप्शन डी administer live vaccine. यहाँ हमारा आंसर होगा बी avoid crowd and sick contacts. Question 72. A client with hypovolemic shock is receiving IV fluid. Which finding indicate therapy is effective? ऑप्शन ए यूरिन आउटपुट 30 ml per hour. ऑप्शन बी BP 80/40 mmHg. ऑप्शन सी हार्ट रेट 140 बीट पर मिनट. ऑप्शन डी वीक पेरिफेरल पल्सेस. यहाँ आंसर है ए. Question number 73. A nurse is assessing a client with Cushing syndrome. Which finding is expected? Option A hypotension. Option B weight loss. Option C truncal obesity and moon phase. Option D bronze skin pigmentation. यहाँ आंसर है truncal obesity and moon phase. Question number 74. The nurse is teaching foot care to a diabetic client. Which statement is correct? Option A I will cut toenails straight across. Option B I can walk barefoot in the house. Option C I should soak my feet daily in hot water. ऑप्शन डी आई शुड अप्लाई लोशन बिटवीन माई टोज. यहाँ आंसर है ए आई विल कट टोनेट स्ट्रेट अक्रॉस. विच लैब वैल्यू इंडिकेट्स इफेक्टिव ट्रीटमेंट इन क्लाइंट रिसीविंग एपोइटिन अल्फा. ऑप्शन ए हीमोग्लोबिन 13 ग्राम पर डीएल. ऑप्शन बी WBC 5000, प्लेटलेट 2 lakhs, हेमाटोक्रिट 20%. यहाँ हमारा आंसर होगा ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 76. A client with asthma is wheezing and has oxygen saturation 88%. Which medication should the nurse prepare to administer? Option A albuterol. ऑप्शन बी प्रेडनिसोलोन. ऑप्शन सी मोन्टेलुकास्ट. ऑप्शन डी क्रोमोलिन सोडियम. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है ए एल्बुटेरोल. क्वेश्चन 77. A nurse is assessing for a client with peripheral artery disease. Which finding is accepted? Option A brown discoloration of ankles. Option B dependent rubber. Option C warm moist skin. Option D 3+ edema. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है dependent rubber. Question number 78. Which priority nursing intervention for a client with pancreatitis? Option A encourage a high fat diet. Option B provide pain relief as opiates. Option C administer oral fluids. Option D encourage ambulation. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है provide pain relief with opiates. Question number 79. A 72-year-old patient diagnosed with pneumonia has an oxygen saturation of 88% on room air. The physician ordered oxygen therapy. What is the most appropriate initial oxygen delivery device for this patient? Option A Venturi mask at 28%. Option B non-rebreather mask at 10 to 15 liter per minute. Option C partial rebreather mask at 6 to 10 liter per minute. Option D nasal cannula at 2 liter per minute. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है डी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 80. A school age child is diagnosed with acute glomerulonephritis. Which finding would the nurse prioritize when monitoring the child for complication? Option A decreased blood pressure. Option B periorbital edema and hypertension. Option C increased urine output. Option D mild fever and sore throat. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है ऑप्शन बी periorbital edema and hypertension. Question number 81. A nurse is monitoring a woman in labor with oxytocin infusion. Which finding require immediate intervention? Option A contraction every 3 minutes lasting 60 seconds. Option B fetal heart rate deceleration to 90 beats per minute during contraction. Option C contraction every 5 minutes lasting 40 seconds. Option D baseline fetal heart rate 140 beats per minute. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है बी fetal heart rate deceleration. Question number 82. Which is an early sign of placental abruption? Option A bright red painless vaginal bleeding. Option B rigid board-like abdomen with pain. Option C gradual onset of backache. Option D increased fetal movement. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है B rigid board-like abdomen with pain. Question number 83. A postpartum woman is at risk for hemorrhage. Which finding is most concerning? Option A uterus firm and midline. Option B saturating a pad in 15 minutes. Option C lochia rubra on day 2 postpartum. Option D small growth in lochia. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है B saturating a pad in 15 minutes. Question number 84. The nurse is assessing a client at 36-week gestation. Which symptoms should be reported immediately? Option A backache. Option B heartburn. Option C blood vision, fever, headache. Option D ankle swelling. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है C. Question number 85. A nurse is caring for a client in the first stage of labor. Which comfort measure is most appropriate? A. Encourage ambulation if members are intact. B. Place client in supine position. C. Without fluids. D. Administer narcotics immediately. Option A हमारा आंसर है. Question number 86. Which newborn assessment finding is abnormal? Option A heart rate 120, respiratory rate at 70 beats per minute with grunting. Option C positive buoyancy. Option D irregular respiration. यहाँ आंसर है B. Question number 87. A client at 10-week gestation reports morning nausea. Which intervention is most helpful? Option A eat 3 large meals per day. Option B take fluid with meals. Option C eat dry crackers before rising. Option D avoid snacks between meals. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है C. Question number 88. Which assessment findings suggest uterine atony? Option A firm uterus midline. Option B boggy uterus deviated to the right. Option C lochia serosa. Option D perineal bruising. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है B. Question number 89. The nurse is caring for a client with eclampsia. Priority action is insert Foley's catheter. Option B, administer magnesium sulfate. Option C, monitor fetal heart tones. Option D, prepare for immediate delivery. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है B. Question number 90. A woman in labor reports intense rectal pressure and the urge to push. The nurse knows that the fetal heart counting. What should the nurse do? Option A, encourage the woman to pant during contraction. Ask her to walk to the bathroom. Option C, apply fundal pressure. Option D, delay pushing until full dilation is confirmed. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है A. Question 91. Which is a sign of true labor? Option A, contraction irregular, relieved by rest. Option B, contraction increase in intensity and frequency. Option C, pain only in the abdomen. Option D, no cervical changes. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है B. Question 92. A postpartum woman develops mastitis. The nurse should instruct her to. Option A, stop breastfeeding immediately. Option B, apply cold compress only. Option C, continuous breastfeeding. Apply warm compresses. Option D, wear a tight fitting bra. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है C. Question 93. Which position is best for relieving supine hypotension syndrome in pregnant women? Option A, supine with head elevated. Option B, Trendelenburg. Option C, left lateral side lying. Option D, right lateral side lying. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है C. Question number 94. A woman at 28-week gestation reports painless, bright red vaginal bleeding. Which complication is suspected? Option A, placenta previa. Option B, abruptio placenta. Option C, uterine rupture. Option D, threatened abortion. ये जो भी साइन है ये है सारे placenta previa के. Question number 95. Which finding indicates effective breastfeeding? Option A, newborn sleep 2 hours after feeding. Audible swallowing is heard. Mother's breast remain full after feeding. Option D, infant loses 15% of birth weight. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है B. Question number 96. A nurse is caring for a client in the 4th stage of labor. Which finding require immediate intervention? Option A, BP 110/70. Option B, pulse 120 beats per minute increasing. Option C, fundus firm at the umbilicus. Option D, moderate lochia rupta. यह आंसर है हमारा B. Question number 97. A nurse is teaching a pregnant woman about iron supplements. Which statement indicate correct understanding? Option A, I should take iron with milk to avoid stomach upset. Option B, I will take iron with orange juice. Option C, I should lie down after taking iron. Option D, I can stop taking it once I feel better. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है B. Question number 99. The nurse is caring for a postpartum client with heavy bleeding and boggy uterus. What is the priority intervention? Option A, call the healthcare provider. Option B, administer antibiotics. Option C, massage the uterus. Option D, increase oral fluid. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है C. Question number 99. Which assessment finding indicates effective use of magnesium sulfate in preeclampsia? Option A, 4+ deep tendon reflexes. Option B, decreased urine output. Option C, absence of seizures. Option D, respiratory rate 10 beats per minute. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है C, absence of seizure. Question number 100. Which sign is most concerning in a newborn of a diabetic mother? Option A, jitteriness. Option B, crying. Option C, mild jaundice. Option C, acrocyanosis. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है jitteriness. Question number 101. The nurse is caring for a client at 39-week gestation with ruptured membranes and prolapsed umbilical cord. Priority action is to place client in Trendelenburg position or knee chest position, apply a fetal scalp electrode, prepare for induction of labor, cover cord with dry gauze. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है A. Question number 102. A pregnant woman reports frequent headache and swelling of hands and feet at 30-week gestation. Which condition is suspected? Option A, eclampsia. B, preeclampsia. C, hyperemesis gravidum. D, placenta previa. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है B, preeclampsia. Question 103. The nurse is monitoring a client 1 hour after cesarean birth. Which finding is abnormal? Option A, lochia scant. Option B, BP 90/50. Option C, SPO to 96%. Option D, fundus firm. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है BP 90/50 mmHg. Question number 104. Which finding indicates effective oxytocin therapy during induction of labor? Option A, contraction every 10 minutes lasting 30 seconds. Option B, contraction every 2-3 minutes lasting 60 seconds. Option C, contraction irregular and mild. Option D, contraction every 1 minute lasting 90 seconds. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है B. Question 105. A client at 32-week gestation has painless cervical dilation without contraction. This indicates placenta previa, preterm labor, incompetent cervix, abruptio placentae. यहाँ आंसर है C, incompetent cervix. Question 106. A woman at 6-week gestation asks about folic acid supplementation. The nurse responds. They help prevent morning sickness. They reduce the risk of neutral tube defects. They improve placental circulation. They help reduce swelling. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है B. Question 107. A postpartum woman with perineal laceration repair asks how to reduce pain. The nurse should recommend A, sits bath and ice pack. B, avoid sitting. C, apply heating pad directly. D, increase fluid restriction. यहाँ आंसर है A. Question 108. A woman at 40-week gestation is scheduled for amniotomy. Which is the priority nursing action after the procedure? Option A, assess cervical dilation. Option B, monitor fetal heart rate. Option C, assess for uterine contraction. Option D, evaluate lochia. यहाँ आंसर है B. Question 109. Which finding indicates effective bonding between mother and newborn? Option A, mother asks nurse to feed baby. Option B, mother avoid eye contact. Option C, mother hold baby close and talk softly. Option D, mother expresses doubt about feeding. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है C. Question 110. A nurse is caring for a client 12 hours after delivery. The nerve fundus is 2 cm above the umbilicus and displaced to the right. What is the cause? Option A, uterine atony. Option B, full bladder. Option C, endometritis. Option D, retained placenta. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है B, full bladder. Question 111. A 2-year-old is admitted with suspected epiglottitis. Which intervention is priority? Option A, prepare for emergency intubation. Option B, obtain a throat culture. Option C, encourage all fluids. Option D, place child in supine position. Option A, हमारा आंसर है prepare for emergency intubation. Question 112. The nurse teaches parents of a child with cystic fibrosis about pancreatic enzyme. Which statement indicates correct understanding? Option A, will give the enzyme once in the morning. Option B, we should mix enzyme with hot food. Option C, we will give enzyme with every meal and snack. Option D, we can skip enzyme if stool look normal. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है C. Question number 113. Which vaccine is contraindicated in a child with severe immunodeficiency? Option A, inactivated polio vaccine. Option B, MMR. Option C, DTaP. Option D, hepatitis. Answer है B, MMR vaccine. A nurse is caring for a child with nephrotic syndrome. Which finding is expected? Option A, weight loss. Option B, generalized edema. Option C, hypertension. Option D, increased urine output. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है B. Question number 115. A child with suspected meningitis undergoes lumbar puncture. Which result confirm bacterial meningitis? Option A, clear CSF normal protein. Option B, cloudy CSF high protein low glucose. Option C, clear CSF low protein. Option D, CSF with high glucose. Option B यहाँ हमारा आंसर है cloudy CSF high protein low glucose. Question 116. A 4-year-old child is hospitalized. According to Erickson, which activity is most appropriate? Option A, provide finger paints and play material. Allow the child to make choice in care. Provide board games and peer group activities. Encourage independence in schoolwork. Answer है A. Question 117. Which finding require immediate intervention in an infant with pyroluate stenosis? Option A, projectile vomiting. Option B, weight loss. Option C, sunken fontanelle. Option D, decreased urine output. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है projectile vomiting. Question 118. The nurse is teaching parents of a child with sickle cell disease. Which statement indicates need for further teaching? Option A, we will encourage fluids. Option B, we will keep vaccine up to date. We will avoid exposing the child to cold. We can give aspirin for pain management. Option D यहाँ हमारा आंसर. Question 119. Which intervention help prevent sudden infant death syndrome? Place an infant in prone position. Use soft pillow in crib. Place infant on back to sleep. Keep room temperature very warm. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है C. Place infant on back to sleep. Question 120. The nurse is caring for an infant with congenital heart disease and cyanosis. Which intervention is priority during a cyanotic spell? Place infant in high power position. नहीं. Administer morphine as ordered. Place infant in knee chest position. Start CPR immediately. पहले knee chest position देनी है, then morphine देना है. मतलब फर्स्ट हमारा आंसर हो गया C. Question 121. The nurse is caring for a 3-year-old with a tracheostomy. Which toy is safest? Option A, balloon. Option B, building blocks. Option C, stuffed animal. Option D, toy with small detachable parts. Answer A, B, building blocks. Question 122. Which symptom in an infant with intussusception is most characteristic? Option A, green watery stool. Option B, currant jelly like stool. Option C, hard ribbon like stool. Option D, white clay color stool. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है currant jelly like stool. Question 123. A 5-year-old with leukemia is receiving chemotherapy. Which lab finding require immediate intervention? Option A, hemoglobin 9. Option B, platelet 18,000. Option C, WBC 4,000. Option D, hematocrit. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है B. Question 124. Which development milestone is expected in a 9-month-old infant? Option A, walks independently. Option B, sits without support. Option C, builds a tower of 2 blocks. Option D, use 2-word sentence. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है B, sits without support. Question 125. Which intervention is most appropriate when giving liquid medication to a toddler? Option A, mix it with full bottle of milk. Option B, place syringe inside cheek and administer slowly. Option C, allow toddler to take it by spoon at once. Option D, hide medicine in large food portion. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है B. Question 126. A nurse assesses a child with rheumatic fever. Which finding is most concerning? Fever, joint pain, new heart murmur, pressure on tongue. Answer is C. Question 127. A school-age child with type 1 diabetes is found sweaty, shaky and irritable. First action is use subcutaneous insulin. give orange juice, call physician, reject blood glucose in 30 minutes. Answer is B. Question 128. A child with Down syndrome has a priority nursing diagnosis of risk of injury related to low frustration tolerance, risk for infection related to respiratory defects, risk for bleeding related to platelet deficiency, risk for dehydration related to poor oral intake. Answer is B. Question 129. Which finding is expected in a child with measles? Option A, Koplik spot in mouth. Option B, strawberry tongue. Option C, sandpaper rash. Option D, parotid swelling. Answer is A. Question number 130. The nurse is preparing to administer a vaccine to a 12-month-old. Which site is best? Option A, deltoid. Option B, vastus lateralis. C, dorsogluteal. D, abdomen. Answer is B, vastus lateralis. Question number 131. A child with leukemia is placed on neutropenic precaution. Which instruction is most important? Avoid live plants and fresh fruit in room. B, wear a mask when sleeping. C, limit oral care. D, avoid all visitors. Answer A. Question 32. The nurse is teaching parents about phenylketonuria management. Which food should be avoided? Option A, apple. B, chicken. C, milk. D, rice. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है C, milk. Question 133. Which toy is most appropriate for a hospitalized 6-year-old? Option A, rattle. Option B, picture book. Option C, board game. Option D, musical mobile. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है C, board game. Question number 134. A child with burn covering 20% of body surface is at highest risk for fluid volume deficit, hypothermia, constipation, seizure. Answer is A. Question number 135. A nurse assesses a child with epiglottitis. Which intervention is contraindicated? Option A, prepare emergency equipment. Option B, provide humidified oxygen. Option C, obtain throat culture and with tongue depressor. Option D, keep child calm and upright. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है C. Question 136. A child with schizophrenia says the voices are telling me to hurt myself. What is the nurse priority action? Option A, tell the client the voices aren't real. Option B, ask the client if they plan to act on the command. Option C, distract the client with activities. Option D, document the client's statement. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है B. Question 137. Which finding is most characteristic of OCD? Option A, hearing voices. नहीं. Option B, repetitive hand washing. Yes. Grandiose delusion. बिल्कुल नहीं. Emotional breathing. ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है B. Question 138. A client with depression says, I feel so hopeless. The nurse best response is Option A, things will get better soon. Option D, why do you feel this way? Option C, tell me more about what makes you feel hopeless. Option D, don't think like that. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है C. Question 139. Which side effect of antipsychotic medication require immediate attention? Option A, dry mouth. Option B, blood vision. Option C, muscle rigidity and fever. Option D, constipation. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है muscle rigidity and fever. Question 140. The nurse is caring for a client with alcohol withdrawal. Which medication is commonly prescribed? Option A, diazepam. Option B, haloperidol. Option C, fluoxetine. Option D, lithium. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है A. Question 141. A client with bipolar disorder is in maniac phase. Which intervention is most important? Option A, provide a low stimulation environment. Option B, encourage group therapy. Option C, offer high fiber meal. Option D, encourage long discussion. Option A हमारा आंसर है. Question 142. The nurse is caring for a client taking lithium. Which findings should be reported immediately? Option A, tremor and polyuria. Option B, nausea and metallic test. Option C, severe diarrhea and confusion. Option D, mild thirst. यहाँ आंसर है C. Question 143. A client says, I am worthless and everyone would be better off if I were dead. The nurse priority is to Option A, offer reassurance. Option B, ask about suicidal thoughts or plans. Option C, change the subject. Option D, encourage group activities. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है B. Question 144. Which defense mechanism is used when a student yells at a friend after failing an exam? Option A, denial. Option B, projection. Option C, displacement. Option D, digression. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है C. Question 145. Which intervention is appropriate for a client with paranoid delusion? Option A, argue with the client. Option B, support reality without confrontation. Option C, agree with the delusion. Option D, provide excessive physical context. यहाँ आंसर है B. Question number 146. Which finding indicate improvement in a client with anorexia nervosa? Option A, refusal to discuss body image. Option B, weight gain of 1 to 2 lbs per week. Option C, continuous refusal to eat. Option D, amenorrhea. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है B. Question 147. The nurse is caring for a client on clozapine. Which lab will require immediate attention? Option B, WBC 2500, WBC 7000, hemoglobin 12, platelet 2 lakh. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है A. Question 148. Which priority nursing intervention for a client experiencing a panic attack? Option A, teeth relaxation technique. Option B, stay with the client and provide calm reassurance. C, encourage group participation. D, explore trigger in detail. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है B. Question 149. A client with dementia become agitated in the evening, sundowning. The nurse should increase stimulation with TV and visitors, provide a calm, well-lit environment, confront the client about behavior, यूज फिजिकल रिस्ट्रेंट, यहाँ हमारा आंसर है बी, प्रोवाइड काम वेल लिट एनवायरमेंट। क्वेश्चन 150, a client with PTSD reports nightmare. Which intervention is most appropriate? Option: increase alcohol before bedtime, administer prazosin as prescribed, restrict daytime naps, confront traumatic memories immediately. यहाँ आंसर है बी। क्वेश्चन 151, a nurse is teaching a client about fluoxetine. Which statement indicates correct understanding? Option A, I will take it only when I feel depressed. Option B, I may not feel better for several weeks. Option C, I can stop it suddenly if I feel fine. ऑप्शन डी, दिस ड्रग विल क्योर माई डिप्रेशन परमानेंटली। यहाँ हमारा आंसर है बी। क्वेश्चन 152, विच बिहेवियर इंडिकेट्स इंप्रूवमेंट इन ए क्लाइंट विद सोशल एंजाइटी डिसऑर्डर? ऑप्शन ए, रिफ्यूज टू अटेंड ग्रुप सेशन। ऑप्शन बी, स्पीक ब्रीफली ड्यूरिंग ए थेरेपी ग्रुप। ऑप्शन सी, अवॉइड ऑल आई कॉन्टेक्ट। ऑप्शन डी, रिमेन आइसोलेटेड इन ए रूम। यहाँ आंसर है बी। क्वेश्चन 153, विच साइड इफेक्ट इज मोस्ट कंसर्निंग विद बेंजोडाइazepine? ऑप्शन ए, sedation. ऑप्शन बी, डिपेंडेंस एंड विड्रॉल। ऑप्शन सी, ड्राई माउथ। ऑप्शन डी, हेडेक। यहाँ आंसर है बी। Question 154. The nurse is caring for a client who is pacing and shouting angrily. Which intervention is priority? Option A, confront the client family. Option B, remove other client from the area. Option C, restrain the client immediately. Option D, attempt long verbal reasoning. यहाँ आंसर है B. Question 155. Which communication technique is therapeutic? Option A, asking why do you feel that way. Option B, offering advice. Option C, using silence to encourage expression. Option D, changing the subject. यहाँ आंसर है C. Question 156. A client reports hearing voices but is calm and cooperative. What should the nurse do? Option A, ignore the hallucination. Option B, tell the client the voices are not real. Option C, ask what the voices are saying. Option D, provide constant restraint. यहाँ आंसर है C. Question 157. A client taking monoamine oxidase inhibitor should avoid which food? Fresh food, yogurt, aged cheese, rice. आंसर है C. A. Question 158. A nurse is caring for a client with borderline personality disorder who engages in a self-harm. Priority nursing action is ignore the behavior to avoid reinforcement, ensures client safety and provide close observation, punish the client for self-harm, allow client full independence. यहाँ आंसर है B. Question 159. The nurse is planning care for a client with anorexia nervosa. Which intervention is most important? Option A, explore client's body image. Option B, monitor daily weight and vital sign. Option C, encourage group therapy. Option D, discuss long term treatment goals. आंसर है B, monitor daily weight and vital sign. आज का हमारा लास्ट क्वेश्चन 160. Which nursing intervention is most therapeutic for a client with schizophrenia experiencing social withdrawal? Option A, respect the client's silence and gradually engage. Option B, force the client to join group activities. Option C, ask repeated direct question. Option D, minimize the contact to avoid stress. यहाँ हमारा आंसर है A, respect the client silence and gradually engage. तो दोस्तों ये था आज के 160 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस जो आपके नॉर्सेट मेंस एग्जाम के लिए सबसे ज्यादा एक्सपेक्टेड हैं। याद रखो, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ पेपर देना, जो आपने इतना मेहनत किया है उसका रिजल्ट जरूर मिलेगा। बस काम रहो, अपने नोट्स रिवाइज करो और एग्जाम हॉल में जाके बस एक बात याद रखना, तुम तैयार हो, तुम ये कर सकते हो। रिलायंस फैमिली आपके साथ है। ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। अगला वीडियो हमारा होगा नॉर्सेट मेंस पेपर एनालिसिस। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद और गुड लक फॉर नॉर्सेट एग्जाम।